hopefully see what we're doing. Swing it up. Great, looking for ball. Looking for ball. Out of hitting zone. In hitting zone. Right, so we get to the top. Right. Trying to make our right shoulder go up. That's what we're trying to do today. Which if you've never tried to do, it's a 54 bleed, one length. Got a good driver head to head coming up now. PXG V crank. PXG V crank. Driver head to head. Just warming up. So when I get here, I'm trying to go this way. And then from there, I'm going to load. Ooh, that was feeling of really annoying. It's quite warm getting the hat off. Right, let's try and get warmed up before we start hitting the drivers, and let's try and get this more seamless. Ooh, really difficult move to do actually. Try and make your shoulder go up. Have I got anything that could try that actually. Shorter cane this time. Try it a little bit shorter. Just so I can see it and I can try and get this happening. So I can see that right corner now. So I want to get it to go that way. Half speed. Oh. Almost like the contact is hopeless now. I'm concentrating on making a change. So you will lose your contact. Low point control whilst you're trying to make a change. So it's shorter than the alignment stick, so it's a little bit easier to see. That's quite a big change to make. I've been creeping in though, as in creeping this way. You need to be more this way, which is on line. And then you need to keep your shoulder going that way. Just warming up. Obviously. Struggle with this, but maybe if I go further that way, I'll not fall out. Right, so get it back and get this going that way, that way, that way. Instead of spinning the shoulder, you want it going up, one way. Steady, up. Half speed, I can do it. So I think today it's going to be half speed till it clicks. It's a big change to me. You just have the line, getting this shoulder up, down. That is better. Tell you what we'll do, will try and get the little gadget marker on the wedge to see if it wants to connect. To be honest, sometimes the machine will pick these up just to see out of interest if it can read the swing path. It should be able to with these sensors on it. Right. Let's see what's saying. Can keep this going and swings on the line, shoulder up. Out to 2.5 degrees. Okay. That ain't very good. We need to get the in to out part a bit. So we're getting there, but just try it. Shoulder up, shoulder up. Try and get a bit more in to out. Weird. That's worse. Okay, fine. Okay, club path. In to out 0.2 degrees. So you can see this is where these things are really good, because if you're working on like changing something, we've just moved that 3.5 degrees by a simple little move. Let's try it again. Now back to that again, 2.6 degrees out. So we basically didn't do as good there. Let's try. Weird. Sometimes it does make you wonder. What actually happens in these things? Right. Try and get into out some. That was into out 0.3 degrees. So that's the first into out we've had, 0.3 degrees. Everything else has been out to in. So that was actually in to out. So we're starting to get a little bit into out there. So let's try that again. Pause. Into out again. So we're getting there. Exaggerate to make a small change. Into out, into out. Interesting to see what that was. That was into out 0.8, slight drop. Not really a bother about the distance. Setting into out, hopefully. good solid contact. Out to in 2.6. Weird ass. Watch that back. So we're fluctuating between paths here at the moment. It's going straight. And that was out to in as well. Interesting. Right. 1.2 into out. Purest yet. I tell you the difference with that one, we'll try it again. The difference with that one was I set up my lead hand under, and then I swung it 60%. Out to in 1.2. Kidding me on here. How is that possible? In to out. In to out. One point two. Making changes. Very hard to make a change. And you think you're doing it, and then the result you aren't doing it. So into out. On that line would be there, there, and definitively there, and keep everything. 1.3 into out. Okay, so what we did there was a bit different. What we did there was that closed right under and kept even closed down the line. Wow, 3 to 3.4 into out. Right, we're definitely getting something now, considering what the numbers we've been getting so far. Right, so set that and closed under, and then so hard to make a change. Make a change. Right, so what we've got is PXG. Hit some balls with PXG. We've actually got tailor-made that we tend to play with. So I've got the PXG, I'll tell you what it is. 0811X. And then we've got the crank. Maybe we should put a little dot on that. Put a dot on the dragon. That way you can actually see it. One dot. 2 dots. And then we use it on the other driver. Stuck to the finger. Okay. PXG. Stuck to the finger. Oh, damn it. PXG. PXG. Proto. Got the dots on, so I should be able to see the face and track it. Under, up, what did it come out? Driver, half speed. Damn. Oh, good phone. 188 ball speed. It is fast as hell, but we need to definitively. What was the path on that? 17-degree launch angle, that's like 2.4 degrees into the hoop. Slight pull, not very good. Okay. Better. Ball speed, right demo. 145. 100 and smash 144. .1 launch angle 14. Let's get good launch numbers for these PXGs. Certainly up there. Ball speed, sudden dramatic jump, just shows you the ball does make a difference. Smash 1.5, launch 30.7, total spins low 1,000. 1,967. It's quite good that actually. Right, that's PXG. Now we're going to dope up the crank. Whoa, that's the Right, I'll put a couple of these in it. Oof, honestly, these are fiddly to get when you're close. But the launch monitor does work really well with these dots on it. Yeah. There we go. It seems to like pick up the kind of like a minimum of 2 dots. But first things first, tee the ball down a bit. God, this crank looks weird as. So this is the crank formula MET. This looks so different than the PXG. PXG, beautiful. Crank, not so sure. Let's see, acquired look. I thought that was a wee bit open, right? Right open. That was not a good one to take for averages. Smash path down, back spin. Smash was right down, 1.42. That ain't good smash. Spin was up. Oh. Good launch, 13.4. Right. was better. My goodness, that was in the middle. Cutty again. 11.2 launch, 2074. Very similar numbers, actually. 1965 launch. And launch and the spin was the same on the PXG, but PXG's smash factor so far, mind you, in the last one it was 152 smash factor, so that's good, but it's hovered. 155 smash. Oh, 8-degree launch. Yeah, it was a wee bit low in the face, I think. Certainly, but feel wise, it feels fast. Longest ball. I'm not saying that it would be easy to keep this on the golf course, so let's see if we aim that way. And swing. Still wants to cut. Whereas I draw the PXG. Smashes up. What's that? A PXG one. See a comparison. Now that we're warmed up. See, that goes straight, and that's great up there, I think. 1.49 smash. $2,600 launch. Right, okay. One last experiment while we're here. Crank's okay. Wouldn't say it was. It's an old crank, but it's not doing nothing for me visually. Let's have a hit with the Cobra. Probably the best looking one of the lot. I lofted this down to 9.5. Spin and distance, let's see. Smash, it's not red to smash somehow. Mind you, I don't have a dot on it. Maybe one dot on it would help. Not bad. Ball speed, I tell you, is up. Smash. Smash was quite good in it, to be fair. .44 smash. 1.51 ball speed, or 151 ball speed. It's not bad but driver, is it? Launch isn't bad, 11.7. Spin, 2,800. It does spin up a bit. It does spin up a bit more than the PXG. I think you've got to really go far to beat the PXG, to be honest. Let's try a PXG. Smashes up, the spin is good, and PXG is solid. 1.51 smash. 142 ball speed. Drop that. 2,600, so it's more consistent with angle of attack on the up, 0.5. Right. One with crank, just to see. It's such a weird looking head to crank. Let me take a bit here and just look at it. It's really difficult to get straight. That was out the middle. Smash factor 1. .2 and up again, so not as good as the smash factor 1.48, ball speed 142. See what difference a fitting ball makes. Right, let's try one more. Good one with a crank. There's no alignment on it, you see. Right, that is a hot one. 1.45 smash. $2,352 launch angle 15.1 angle attack 1.2 degrees down. That's how moved on there more. Right, let's try a drive at like 60% speed. Here's 60%. Let's see. 148. Club speed 121. Ball speed 121. Yeah, 60%. Down again on the middle attack. Right, let's try 60% with the fairway finder PXG. See what the smash factor is on 60% now. Touch of cuts today, 1.49. .4 up. Just seem to get better launch figures and stuff with the PXG. Spin's always consistent, launch is always consistent. Like, there's 2,000. A bit low in the face, maybe? 1.5 slash. .4 on the up, which anything like that, 0.5, yeah, 0.4 seems to be what I averagely get. So that's good numbers, very consistent. 60% the cobra. 60%. Oh, that was not a good contact. Way down smash, 1.43. Not bad, but it does spin more than any other, which is weird because we've got it. We put it in the low spin setting. Strange how it spins. In the low spin setting. That was it. Into out swing path. 0.5 degrees, but for me that's the article. 3,200, launch angle 14. Maybe swinging easier is easier. This is 60% folks, not anywhere near 160. Into out 0.9 degrees. Well, we're certainly getting it now. That's the best path figures I've had. Into out 0.9, that's nearly a degree. And that's swinging at 60%. Let's keep that going at 60 with the PXG, see what happens. 60% effort. Try and get an into out swing path. Wow. Straight through the screen. 1.49. Good spin numbers. It just every time angle of attack 0.3 up. 15 degree launch, 2000 spin. It just is the bomber, this PXG. It's just the numbers and the shaft. And the way it delivers it, it just does it. Right, let's try an interesting trial. This is way too low. Tee it way low and see what happens with the crank on a low tee. Let's go low. 60% on a low tee. See what happens. Wow, that was 1.48. I tell you, didn't I have to get high smash figures off a crank? Look at the backswing. 1,311 off a low tee. It's like obscene spin numbers, considering it launched at 13.5 and swinging 60%. That was cut to oblivion. This has got the biggest ball flow I've ever seen. So if you do miss it, momentum protecting. Still went a fair way that. 14. 2,000 spin. Interesting. 60%, guys. That was a wee bit. Didn't feel good. Wow, look at that smash. 1.52. Launch. She's up there. Slight path issues. I think it's the head shape. It makes it look so weird over the ball. Like it literally makes. It's just like a weird shape. It's such a weird shape. It's almost like you want a Bryson DeChambeau. 1.55 smash. Is this face legal? It's like a hot face. It's definitely core legal, but my goodness, it's that like hot. I wasn't even swear. 1.55 smash. Right, PXG. See what our smash is on that. Standard. I'll brace onto it. And just 60%, guys. No huge effort. 1.54. So the thing's definitely picking it up, right? See, lower spin though, yeah. Much lower spin. Right, let's try a 60%. Spinning that. 1,393. Ridiculous. 1.9 degrees on the up. 12.1 degrees launch. Ah. 1.52 ball speed. Out again. Just not feeling it. 1.7 degree launch. Not feeling it, not feeling it. Let's try it. Same idea with PXG one last. I think. I'm tired. 151 smash. Certainly get in the middle, eh? Get in the middle. Get in the middle. Get in the middle, but we're getting tired. Come on. Club's falling from here. There's too much for me. Obviously, 1.300 club in 00 zeroed out. Lunch 19 PK. Thinned it. And thinned it. Consistent distance.